Boycott Shabarikolo. No to any UK nurse that is promoting hook hops. Hook hops sites are not a dating site. Don't get me wrong. People that goes on this site are adults. Yes, they can fend for themselves. They are responsible for their decision. But as a UK nurse, the honor falls on me to create awareness and sensitize people that this site that they are going to, it is not a good site.
The issue of Shabarikolo, let me tell you, I am not afraid of anything. The only thing that I can be afraid of is she must tax, she must register. Sorted. Shabarikolo is just like any other dating site. We should, as our educated now, any other dating site need Shabarikolo. 1, 2. My platform, is it therapeutic? Yes or no? Facebook, she 18 and above, long Facebook. UK ò kí ń ṣe Nigeria tí wọ́n kọ̀ kọ́ máa jump at people's mouth. Wọ́n máa ṣe investigation wọn pé okay tí page bá bad kí ló dé tó fi ní this massive followers kí ló ń follow ẹ̀ fún. They will go on my YouTube page, which I will be ready to submit. They will go on my TikTok page. Wọ́n wo iye followers tó ń tẹ̀lé mi, wọ́n lọ sínú site mi, wọ́n lọ wò gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe, is it therapeutic? Tí ó bá ti wà therapeutic, wọ́n wo comments àwọn èèyàn. Ṣé wọ́n wà happy? Ṣé ó dá fún mental health wọn? Ṣé ó wọ̀ fún mental health wọn? Those are the things that they will look at. I'm not scared, I'm not afraid. The only thing that can get me scared ni pé tí bá yẹ pé mi ò san tax. Àbí tó bá yẹ pé mi ò register, mo kàn ṣe under G. My work ethics kò sọ fún mi pé mi ò lè ṣe side hustle or mi ò lè ṣe side job kò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ provided tí bá declare tax mi. Then my followers ó jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ mi gan wà therapeutic ó dẹ̀ ń work on mental health.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Yínká TNT àti Godmother Lizzy Anjorin tí wọ́n sọ nínú fídíò yìí.